Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our vlog. I'm eating breakfast and this is just plain strawberry yogurt, and I added some oats, granola, toasted almonds, and coconut. Hola, buenos dias. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's so hot today. You guys have to stay hydrated. All right, so we're just starting our day. So we're gonna take you guys with us. We don't really have anything planned for today, but whatever we do, we can take you guys with us. Say hi. I see. Oh. Can you open the truck, please?
Yes. You go to the other side.
Oh, you're on the other side, Bubba. Come on. You could vlog.
Okay. Hi guys.
Whatever pops up in your head. Go. Do you guys ever like not know what you guys want to eat? Well, that's us every damn weekend. But we don't know where we're gonna eat.
Es mejor quedarse callados antes que hablen. No es tan permitir por canto un gallito calladito.
I guess we're gonna come and eat at this mariscos. Thank you. Look at this place, guys.
Hola, hola.
I don't like mariscos, so every time I come to like eat to places like this, I always get like burritos or stuff like that. And this is what I got. I got enchiladas. Okay, truck. Oh my gosh. Babe, you better relax, boy. Okay. Alacranes. What? They're from...
Not bad for being
Being a what?
wasn't that bad. Well, eso sí no que work tea. Kept up with it.
Hi you guys.
That's what you call an elefante sin cola.
Okay. I'm going to block.
No los vas a tirar.
I'm going to ice cream store. See, I'm going to show you.
Vamos a put this as a leader.
The ice cream store. The ice cream store. See? Ice cream store. Chips.
What are you getting, Mama?
I'm getting the vanilla. Okay. Now we do it here. Yeah, it's full of the ice cream because I want to get ice cream. Because Oreo, we all do ice cream for Oreo. So we're done already. Okay.
Let me clean it. I got a mangoneada. Nell got Wait, vanilla cheesecake or strawberry cheesecake? Strawberry cheesecake. This one got gansito. Ya no va a comer. Ven.
Pues los despiden con una bendición y los reciben con una sonrisa. Mil gracias a todos por ser parte de
Pruébalo.
nuestros primeros 32 años de carrera. Se los quedamos a los Tucanes de Tijuana.
Is this the same one que está next to your Reina's salon? No? This is like one only company?
Yeah. This is a better one. To know why I was going to school.
What happened?
Hey, come through all dressed in blue. My mouth.
No, I'm going on school.
Bye. So, we came to eat to Mr. Taco here in Redlands. And hubby went to go check if there was any tables open, so he found one.
Hi guys, we're at
Hi. I'm fucking up my food. So a couple hours later, we're still here at my mom's house. Guess what she has?
No, take out that.
¿No te gusta?
I want it.
My camera is about to die. I didn't bring my charger.
Ready to read? Yep. Go! 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 Go!
They're seriously racing.
Get it so fast!
Yeah, he's fast. He's a fast dog. I couldn't find anything better to give the dog water in. Get this! Get this!
Dusty hands.
Saben de lo que hablo. Guerrero es
Look at this loser. This loser getting drunk. This is interesting. This loser too getting drunk over here. I'm like, this loser getting drunk over here. Look at